Welcome to another CAMFive EMB video. We'll work today bringing a cool design into a shirt. Join us! Bring your design into the control panel and set the colors for this work. Remember that if the color you need isn't in the top frame, you'll have to replace them and reset the threads in the needles. Once you did that, arrange the needles and start the embroidery. When it's finished, remove the frame from the machine and the garment from the frame. Cut the excess stabilizer and put the shirt on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos of our embroidery machines and follow us on social media for info and news about CAMFive EMB.